Today I'm going to talk about something technical, but only because something amazing happened Tuesday, December 12th, 2022. Nuclear fusion, quantum tunneling, Q greater than 1 are all buzzwords floating around in the media in association with what happened. On this channel, I want to address facts versus fiction. Even though I don't have the corner on the market when it comes to facts, I like facts and have plenty of opinions about them. The breakthrough is that scientists at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California were able to obtain a net positive nuclear reaction. They did this by pointing 192 lasers at the reaction chamber of a tritium pellet, which is hydrogen with 2 additional protons. The positive net gain reaction means that the reaction would continue forever as long as tritium was provided and basically become a perpetual energy device. The news anchors called it a star in a box. Super fascinating. On my board, I have written a few quick facts about fusion. Before I start on the quick facts, it's imperative to know that the old saying that the sun is just a big ball of gas burning in the sky is a very base statement perpetuated by simpletons. Here, on number 1, it says a nuclear fusion reaction requires temperatures of 10 billion degrees Kelvin, which is a number we can't even understand. It's extremely hot. Our sun is only about 15 million degrees Kelvin, which if you look between a billion and a million is 3 orders of magnitude difference. So our sun isn't hot enough to create real fusion reactions. What does create real fusion reactions is this. There is an extremely small chance that 2 hydrogen protons get close enough to fuse together. Because there's a chance through quantum tunneling, a very small number fuse and start their journey out of the core of the sun. Number 5, when these atoms fuse, they form helium and the reaction produces immense light and heat. 6, it takes thousands of years to get out of the core of the sun, and when the energy, photons and phonons, emerges, it is no longer gamma. And then 7, it then takes just 8 minutes to arrive at the surface of the Earth. And once it's arrived at the surface of the Earth, the ozone layer filters the light further and it gives us a very steady light and heat source. We have been conditioned to believe certain things that are either partially true or just patently untrue, like the concept that the sun is just hydrogen gas burning. If that were the case, the sun would have run out of fuel after just a few millennia. I was also taught in college that the sun is nuclear fusion reactions. Although this statement is true, it begs an explanation as to how that is even possible without the required heat. My wife pointed out to me that a certain time in human history, it was a commonly accepted fact that the Earth was flat. The emphasis is on human history. Thank you for joining me today, fellow amateurs, and may God bless you eternally.